Today on the agenda, we're not actually doing a project. I'm giving you updates about this channel and the future that it is headed. Hey, my name is Kenny and I'm the owner of Robinson Handy and Technology Services based in Montgomery, Alabama. Today's video is going to be an announcement more so of the change of things to come for this channel. Did some research recently and actually took some time off from actually making videos. Not saying no work was being done during that time, but at least not posting videos here. If you follow on Facebook and Instagram, you would have saw that work was still being done via the photos and videos that were posted on those platforms, but the more elaborate versions of those projects were not posted here. Don't worry, they are coming in the future, but just needed a time off to be able to process and make some business changes. One of those business changes was to look at the analytics and decide the future of the channel. And here's what I kind of found from that particular set of detail from the future of the future of this channel. Now, I posted a short some time ago that we are still working in business and there will be videos coming in the future, and that has not changed. What has changed though is how those videos will be presented in the future. So I was watching one of the videos about content creation and so forth, and they described in that video that if you create content for multiple niches or niches or however you say it, that you want to be mindful and pay attention to your analytics. And the reason being is because your analytics will tell you what your viewership or your viewers, that being you, are actually interested in regards to the content that you are producing. And I realized from the analytics and studying the analytics and then also paying attention to the videos that get the most comments, more people that watch this channel are interested in home improvement and figuring out how to do fixes more than they are in technology and programming, which led me to this business decision of the technology stuff that you've previously seen here on the channel will now go away. Now, wait, before you click off and be like, oh, I got to unsubscribe. Don't do that just yet. Listen, hear me out. So the technology stuff that you've previously seen here will still be continued to be produced. However, it will be done on a separate channel. That channel is called Tech Talk with RHT Services. A link to that will be down in the description, so you can just go down there, click the link, and then subscribe to the technology content if that's what you desire to do. This channel will become a more home improvement based channel where I talk about the projects that I do as it relates to home. You'll still probably see a video of a car repair here or there because a car is in essence an extension of your home because it resides at your home when you're not using it. But it also falls into a line of the general purpose of this particular channel, which is to know how to improve things, how to repair things, and essentially do things yourself as it relates to your house. So a car is kind of an extension of that in some regards. As far as the technology aspect goes, I've realized from the analytics that the people that watch the home improvement type videos on this channel aren't necessarily interested in the programming type videos. Now, there are some people that are interested in where those two avenues cross. So when it comes to like the ecobee thermostat installation. Now, the ecobee thermostat is a technological product that is Wi-Fi capable and controls your HVAC and can do all kinds of give you data back if you go onto their dashboard. But the installation of that is more of a home improvement thing. So that type of video will stay here, and then the more deep diving of the technical aspect of it would more likely be on the Tech Talk channel. Now, that's not to say no projects will ever be technical again ever here on this channel, because some projects, like I mentioned, the ecobee or setting up a home network and a couple of other projects that I have in mind will cross paths. So there may be some aspects of that. For instance, when you're setting up a home network, you have to run the wires. Nothing about running wires is technical. That is literally drilling holes, cutting holes in the wall, and then patching them once you've ran all of your cables. That aspect of the project will be on the home improvement channel. However, the actual testing of the network connections and verifying all the Ethernets are actually working the way they're supposed to and determining which type of Ethernet wiring pattern to use. That will more likely be on the Tech Talk channel. So that way they're more separate based upon the audience. Now, if you choose to subscribe to both channels, I would greatly appreciate it. But I understand some people are more so into one topic versus the other. And if that is the case, please subscribe to the topic that you are most interested in and don't just come here just to watch the videos. Be a subscriber, because the subscriber and the likes, those are what pays the bills and keeps the lights on. Literally, they really, really do. That being said, though, I appreciate you for watching this video and letting you know where the future of this channel is going. Now, you're probably asking, well, what about the videos that are already here? Majority of the videos will stay in place. In particular, the home improvement videos will definitely stay in place. You may actually see some revised versions of those home improvement videos, because I'll be honest, some of the videos that I did very early in the channel probably need a little bit more work and a little bit more tweaking to them to actually be great content compared to what it was when I first started out. That being said, you'll probably see those again here on the channel. But as far as the tech related videos, most of them will go away, not entirely. Like if you have a video bookmarked, you'll still be able to access it. But just note that any newer versions or updates to that video will be done on the Tech Talks channel instead of the Home Improvement channel, which you are watching right now. That being said, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already and you still want to get home improvement information, please subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up. You can check out the website rhtservices.net for home improvement tips and advice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next project.